Hello, let's talk about business letters, their meanings, types, and significance. So business letters are a little bit different from academic letters, or business writing is a little bit different from academic writing. Academic writing tends to be more evocative and creative, whereas business letters, they are more focused on accuracy and specificity. So they're a form of professional connection and professional communication between within a company or between companies. And if you use them as far as a job search, they make a very good first or bad first impression on recruiters, but they're an opportunity to make a good first impression. And they're also used as a form of evidence because there's a signature and a date usually on professional letters. And employers really value them because it's a great way for them to connect more specifically in a form of a narrative to the job candidate. And they're really a good way to go professionally. And there's different types of business letters that you can consider. Cover letters, which we'll talk more about in a moment. Those cover letters are basically a way for you to showcase your interest in the particular job opportunity. Letters of recommendation can come from former bosses, coworkers, professional colleagues, and they can showcase your skills for you. Interview follow-up letters, basically telling you we'd like you to come in for another interview, or we'd like you to come in and to talk again, or you didn't get the job, sorry, you're not the right fit. Offer letters, which basically formally state what they're offering you as far as a job, pay, the specific responsibilities, the role of the job, the title of the job, and there's a signature and a date on there from the boss, executive director, or supervisor of some kind. And then sales letters, which is a more formal communication about this is what we'd like to offer as far as price and for the amount of a product, or to build up on stock in a company that stocks particular items. Letters of resignation, which is just a way to formally state that I would no longer like to work here. You've probably heard of that before. So let's go into the cover letter. This accompanies your resume application, usually before the resume is seen. So with your cover letter, it's really an opportunity to impress. You want to pick the shining qualities of yourself that you'd like to put forward as you sell yourself effectively to an employer, a company, or a recruiter. And it's a very crucial component of your job search strategy because it's helping to connect via narrative or any anecdotes that you have, personal experiences. And you can list you can describe and list in more detail your particular work experience that you feel would really be of value if you were to work with the company that you're applying for. And it shows you that you've really thought about working for this company. It's not just a resume that you're handing out to everyone, not a generic resume. So you've carefully thought about how you will grow and how you will work with this company in the particular role that you're applying for. And the recruiters, when they read resumes, typically they're more interested in typically when recruiters read your cover letter, they're more interested in your resume, and it makes your resume more worthwhile. So, and there's been studies that show that resumes accompanied with a cover letter are more likely to be considered and even read by recruiters. So good luck with putting together your cover letter and understanding the importance of this component with your resume.